Tanong ni Tito EJ, if you were to learn trading again, paano mo aaralin ulit? I'll start with risk management. Yun po yung uunahin ko. Yung tamang position sizing. And then second, I'll start technical analysis. Magti-TA ako. Aaralin ko yung mga zones kung saan nag-i-induce, okay? Kung saan nang tatrap itong mga market makers. Alright? So, yun yung aaralin ko sa technical analysis. I'll learn price action. Kasi I want to be an active trader eh. So, price action. Third, pag-aaralan ko is the macro analysis. What's happening globally? The money supply, the interest rate, the CPI, the non-farm payrolls, etc. So, yung mga news na ganyan, ano yung impact niyan? So, yung tatlo po na yun. Alright? Pero uunahin ko ang risk management. Follow for more, Tito Moves!